Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this smart band. Basically how strongly the smart band vibrates when you receive the notification or the alarm goes off. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, look for the option called sound and vibration and tap on it, of course. And here in the sound and vibration menu, you should see the vibration intensity. You can select it, and here you have standard and strong. And you can pick the one you prefer. There is a preview basically when you select them. I can't really tell the difference, but when you're wearing it, it's probably more not noticeable. So select the one you like, and then you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this smart band. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.